Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a spider mobile and this is by Hotwheels and this is from their Hotwheels Screentime series. Not sure why they put it under Screentime series because only the recent Spider-Verse movie had this, car in the movie. So say in comics, I think I'm pretty sure they call it a spider buggy, and in some places they call it a spider mobile. And as a diehard fan of Spider-Man, I really wanted to have this one, so I bought two of it. One I'm just going to unbox now, which I'm planning to keep it in my hand all the time. Another I'm just going to keep it as it is. So this one I bought it from one of my friend. He imported it. It is not an Indian card. So let's just unbox this one and see how this one looks in hand. I really want the card as well, so I don't want to damage it. Oh my god. Okay, so here it is, and that looks really cute. Let me just put this here somewhere. Just give me a minute. Okay, so here it is, the spider mobile. Wow. Okay, the initial impressions of this car are like, this looks really cute and beautiful as well. This is the original spider logo which Steve Ditko designed, so I'm happy to see that it's here. Okay, it has some paint. Okay, that is dust, I guess. So the interior detail looks really nice, and it has this red rims. Okay, so yeah, the chassis is made of plastic. Yeah, chassis is made of plastic, and the body is made of metal. So this interior details are actually plastic. It looks really nice. So I wish they actually painted some kind of lights for the headlights. Even for the taillights, there is nothing there. They just left it. Here it is. So back then when they actually introduced this is a mainline casting. This is not a premium one. So I don't know. Maybe they have a premium version of this. When I searched in Google, I got only this particular version. So if it has any premium version like the rubber tires and metal chassis, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to find one because I really need it. Okay, let's do a roll test. As we know, Hot Wheels doesn't have any suspension at all. Let's do a roll test. Wow, that rolls really nice. It has a little bit wheel wobble on the rear wheels, but it is not noticeable at all. It rolls really well. It rolls really well. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Not just being a Spider-Man fan, but I personally love this one. So if you are wondering, the wheels are actually made of plastic. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me and share my content to your friends as well. So consider subscribing and sharing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.